What's going on, you mob? Welcome back to another episode of The Butter's Gone Mad. Today, we're at a spot not far from town called The Bus. For obvious reasons, there's an old bus out here. Don't ask me how it got out here. I could barely get out with a full drive on a high tide. But yeah, should be a good little adventure. Gonna poke around in some crab holes, gonna flick some lures, gonna wait for the tide to run out and go fish a hole just over there. But yeah, should be a good little adventure, so stick along for the ride. Yoo-hoo! Righto, I am going to get this net cranking, see if we can't pick up some liveys. Righto, we're trying to find a nice little easy puddle where we can cast the net and get some bait. But everything's looking pretty condensed in here, and I don't want to go too far in because chomp, 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 chomp. So, I don't know, bear with me. We'll get bait. Boom. Double noses everywhere. Look here, look. 2 bull sharks. Oh, 2 little, oh, 3, 4, 5. Fuck, they're fucking everywhere. True, I've got bad encounters with these little things. They rush you in these shallows. They're everywhere. Where's all the mullet? Trust me, where's the mullet at? There you go, guys. 2. Oh, there's nearly 1. Oh, nearly none. 2 nice little lollipops. Might just get a couple more and then that'll be us. Look here, guys. Look at that. That's like the eel that I seen out of that I pulled out of that bloody pump there when I was catching them barrows. He's exactly like him, but miniature, ninny one. Righto. Monster. Alright, that's gonna sit like that. He's not alive no more because he's suffocated in my pocket, but I'm gonna yoink that out. And fingers crossed. Salmon, barrel. Righto, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna spear a shark because never tasted a shark. Let's see how we go. Boom! Got him! That's a nice little feed. I'm gonna bring him home, make some fish chips with him. Put this fellow out of his misery, get him in the esky. Righto, just gonna go for a little bit of a suss at one other spot. It's not too far from here, it's only about 5 minutes that away. But there's a little hole there and should be able to get to it right now. So while we're waiting for that, I mean, we haven't had bites here in about an hour and a half, so we got a shark, but they were everywhere. So I'll see you when we get there. Woo! Righto, we're here, but look like the water's still high over this side, so might sit back and smash this tuna that's been in my car for a year straight. Okay, ways, Butter Boy found a lure. Oh, that's mine. That's mine now. Tell you that much. That's mine. Yeah. Fuck yeah. So yeah, Gonna poke around with a crab hook around here and see if we can't get ourselves a muddy. Leave both those lures there and my Roddy Rich. I'm gonna nail this. Still smells right. Ah, lovely. I think there's a hole right there. But as I said, be very careful. Ow. Ow. Yep. Cut me open. And I was being careful. Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. I think I want to get away from like all this and go into like some muddy, sticky stuff, because this is danger. Full danger. Full of danger. If you're watching out for oysters and look at that fish, I'm keeping that. Any more? Yep, another one there. A few of these, boy, be a good feed, eh? I might even get a few of these too. Long bums. Oh no! Yeah, got another one. Ouch, 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 ouch. Oh, oh, there's packs. Oh, I need to go get a bucket. Because they'll go good with like garlic and cream tonight, boy. Mud crab and clams. Oh, they're everywhere. Look at them. Bang, bang. 5,000 clams. You owe Mr. Sykes 5,000 clams. Tell him I got 7. Ah. Guys, look at that. That's a mud lobster. A mud lobster, boy. He'd be good bait, eh? He'd be a good feed. Man, he's strong as fuckery. Oh, we'll get him back in his little place here. Sorry, mate. Laters. Oh, there's another one. Mud lobster. What? Seen 2 now in like 5 minutes. Righto, we're off to the next spot. Oh, the old spot. Woo! Finches everywhere. But yeah, we're gonna go over there. Hopefully the tide's out far enough so that we can get a line in, get some liveys, get some jacks, possibly a barrel. Stick along, it ain't done yet. So we're gonna walk this little creek here, get over to the other side, and buttage. That's us, cuz. That's us, cuz. Right, let's go. Oh, it's not over yet, mate. Gotta go get some bait. Oh, that fucking fucked me up. Other boys struggling to get bait here. Right, update. Got 2 juicy mullet there. Phew, finally. I've been walking back and forth. True, man. The bait situation is real. Only getting 2 at a time. They call him Bone. Alright, this is risky. Ah, oh, true as who. Oh no. Oh, you're joking. Oh. Stuff this, man. Oh, that just ruined it. Ruined it. Alright. I knew it was risky. I did it. Got 2 mullet. Good sizes. Come on, let go. How's he gonna swim? Yeah, decently. I'm suggesting go here, mate. Righto, you mob. This rod's got something on it. Yeah, definitely has something on it. I'm gonna let it. It just went zzz, and now the line's slack. I'll tell you what, it better not be a shark. Oh! You are joking. That pisses me off. Clean cut shark. Righto guys, here's the update, right? So I stitched it all back together. I took out the drawstring, stitched it all back together. Now I'm just putting it all knot back in it, and hopefully it should be all right. I just won't be able to pull it in. I've got to go and gather up the fish. So let's see how it goes, eh? Let's just see if it throws. It does too. Bite, bite, bite. Yep. Please don't be a cod. You feel like a cod. Yep, you're a cod. And a tiny one at that. Come on, cuz. Yeah, little gold spot estuary cod. Righto, stuff it. I'm putting all my stuff in the car and I'm going to go get a crab. That is it. Woo! Where's that muddy? Where's that muddy? You coming home for dinner, cuz? Rightio guys, we're back here at that little beachy bit. As you see, tide's gone way out now, cuzzy. So, oh, let's put that foam thing back on. Yeah, tide's gone way out now. So, that leaves me every opportunity to get crabs. And it's not coming in for a long time, as you can see. So let's get this hook. And my thongs, because I don't want to get sliced up again. Shout out to the missus for giving me these Mad Huey's thongs. They're probably like the best thongs I've ever had. And yeah, comfy as. Keep looking. They're around here. Oh, I've been looking for so long and I've just found a hole. Oh, not even that, I've found a crab. Oh. Boom. I've got to find him. Where'd he go? Alright, claw's going in my pocket. Oh, true as is that him? That's his hole or what? Is that him? True. Spewing. Oh, well, I got a claw. Kachiga. Alright, before the sun goes down, I'm gonna keep looking for another one. Woo! Righto, that sun is setting. I am on a mission to get this crab. I'm not settling for just a claw. I've got 2 other mouths to feed, and they won't be happy if I just come back with a claw, 7 clams and a shark. You gotta be kidding me. 1 crab would be good. Oh, you got poked right in the eye. Righto, I'm back out on the flats, giving it legs. See if I can't see any in these ledges. I walked that long, had that 1 crab, boom, only got his claw. So, yeah, that's where we're at. You know, it hasn't been a really good day, but it's been a day, you know. I just seen the biggest crab right here. Big ass crab. Where'd you go, mate? Come on, I'm hungry. Lucky dog. Lucky dog. Lucky dog crab. I don't know what else to say, guys. You know, I tried. Missed 2 crabs, caught a stinking little slimy cod, and speared a shark. Don't know how that shark's gonna go. I'm gonna look up a good recipe tonight, suss him out. But you know, that's fishing, you know? The amount of times I come out and try to make videos and they just turn out to be days like this, you'd spin out. It's not always catching fish, you know? That's why it's called fishing and not catching. You heard that one before, eh? Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. And we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully the next one will be a bit more gangster. Yoo!